So after the video, OnePlus Bullet and the OnePlus Wireless and the Bullets Wireless headphone comparison video, I got the most view video is 2.9k views, something like that. So I thought to make a video on the OnePlus Wireless and unboxing and review. So this is the part I do it to need. Let's get started in the video. Final opinion on this is it's really amazing and awesome to use. So you have to try the OnePlus Wireless at least once. It's really good. The sound quality, the bass, everything was good. So try it and thanks for watching. If you guys want to like, share, subscribe my channel. Signing up, Santosh, Smart Tech.